Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you pouring your heart and soul into your website or blog, but it just feels like you're shouting into the void? You're creating awesome content, but no one seems to be finding it? Chances are, you're struggling to rank higher online, and that usually comes down to one thing: keywords. Keyword research can feel like a total guessing game. You're throwing darts at a board, hoping something sticks. But what if I told you there's a way to cut through the noise, find the gold nugget keywords that your competitors are missing, and start driving real traffic, leads, and even revenue? Well, that's exactly what we're going to cover in this video. We're diving into the top 5 free keyword research tools for beginners. These tools will help you generate content ideas that actually rank, see the monthly search volume for those keywords, and best of all, you don't need to be a technical SEO guru to use them. Backlinko, for example, used a similar process to rank in Google's top 10 for over 20,000 keywords, which they estimate is worth a staggering $756,000 per month in ad value. So, if you're ready to ditch the guesswork and start finding keywords that actually work, stick around. Okay, so let's jump right into our first awesome free keyword research tool, Moz Keyword Explorer. Moz is a really well-known name in the SEO world, and their Keyword Explorer is, in my opinion, the best all-around free option out there. What I love about Moz is that it doesn't just give you a list of keywords, it gives you context. It actually includes keyword prioritization metrics, so you can quickly see which keywords are worth targeting. Now, the free plan does have its limitations. You get about 10 queries per month, which isn't a ton, and the keyword suggestions and SERP analyses are limited. But even with those restrictions, Moz provides a solid starting point for understanding keyword potential and competition. To use it, you just type in a keyword you are thinking about targeting, and Moz will show you related keywords, ranking difficulty, and opportunity. This lets you make more informed decisions on where to focus your time and energy. I really recommend signing up for Moz to check out its user-friendly interface and keyword insights. It's the perfect way to get started with keyword research. Alright, moving on to our number 2 pick, Google Keyword Planner. Now, you might be thinking, Google? Isn't that just for paid ads? Well, yes and no. While Google Keyword Planner is definitely geared towards advertisers, it's also an incredibly valuable tool for anyone doing SEO, and it's completely free to use. Now, the caveat here is that it becomes significantly more beneficial if you're running Google Ads. Without an active campaign, the data you get can be a bit less precise. But even with that limitation, Google Keyword Planner is fantastic for researching paid keywords. It gives you insights into forecasting and budget planning, which can be incredibly useful for understanding the overall landscape. Think of it as a peek behind the curtain of what people are actually searching for on Google. So, if you're even considering running ads in the future, or you just want to get a sense of the keywords that advertisers are willing to pay for, Google Keyword Planner is a must-use tool. Next up at number 3 is Semrush. Now, Semrush is a powerhouse SEO platform, and while it has a robust paid version, its free plan offers a surprising amount of value, especially for those who want to dig a little deeper. I'd call it the best option for more advanced SEO professionals who are just getting started. Semrush provides granular keyword data that you won't find in some of the simpler tools. The free plan allows you to run 10 analytics reports per day, and you can track up to 10 keywords, so you can monitor your progress over time. One of the best things about Semrush is the depth of its keyword analysis. You can see search volume trends, related keywords, questions people are asking, and even analyze your competitors' keyword strategies. This allows you to really understand the context around your target keywords and make informed decisions about your content. I would suggest starting with Semrush once you're comfortable with the basics from some of the other tools. It will give you a serious advantage in your SEO efforts. Now, for number 4, we have the tool called Free Keyword Research Tool. Yes, that's literally the name of it. I know, it might not be the flashiest name, but don't let that fool you. This tool is ideal for basic, simple keyword research, and it's completely free with no hidden catches. What I like about this tool is that it's straightforward, user-friendly, and designed to help you find content angles that you might not have thought of otherwise. It's especially useful if you're feeling stuck or just need a quick burst of inspiration. While it might not have all the bells and whistles of the more advanced tools, it's a fantastic option for beginners or anyone who just needs a simple, no-fuss way to generate keyword ideas. When you're starting out with SEO, simplicity is key, and this tool delivers on that promise. And last but not least, at number 5, we have Ahrefs. Now, Ahrefs is another giant in the SEO world, known for its powerful suite of tools. While their full platform comes with a price tag, they offer a selection of completely free SEO tools that are fantastic for beginners. Ahrefs' free tools cover key areas of SEO, including keyword research, link building, and SERP and ranking analysis. For keyword research, they have tools for finding keyword ideas on Google, YouTube, Amazon, and Bing. They also have a keyword difficulty checker, which is super helpful for understanding how competitive a keyword is. Ahrefs' free tools also include a backlink checker, which shows you the top 20 backlinks to any website, a broken link checker, and a website authority checker, which tells you the domain rating of a website. Plus, Ahrefs offers a free SEO WordPress plugin, an SEO toolbar with features like on-page SEO reports and a broken link checker, and even some AI writing tools to help you create content. But their Ahrefs webmaster tools are incredibly useful. These give you free access to Site Explorer and Site Audit for your own website, so you can see how it's performing and identify any issues. So, there you have it, our top 5 free keyword research tools for beginners. We covered Moz Keyword Explorer, which is a great all-around tool with keyword prioritization metrics. We also took a look at Google Keyword Planner, which is perfect for researching paid keywords and understanding the overall landscape. Then there's Semrush, which is ideal for more advanced SEO professionals, giving you granular keyword data and competitor insights. We also covered Free Keyword Research Tool, which is simple, straightforward, and perfect for generating content ideas, and last we mentioned Ahrefs and their free SEO tools. Remember, keyword research is all about finding that SEO sweet spot, those keywords that aren't too difficult to rank for and that you can create amazing content around. And keyword research is about more than just finding the right words. It's about understanding your audience, uncovering hidden opportunities, and ultimately, driving more traffic and success to your website or blog. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there, start exploring these tools, and find those keywords that will help you rank higher and reach the right audience. Don't forget to download the free keyword research template linked in the description below. It will help you stay organized and track your progress. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more SEO tips and tricks, and share it with anyone else who might be struggling with keyword research. Thanks for watching.